yung pong comment namin na supporting yung I was not given a chance to give context, diba tinanong po yun. So, right now, through you, malinaw po ba?
Yes,
Yes,
po,
sir.
yes.
Go ahead po.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. We wish to provide further context po dun sa earlier statement natin na yon. The PNP recognizes that this is a complex and sensitive matter po, yung question as to whether to lower the age of criminal responsibility. And it deserves yung careful, thorough, and evidence-based deliberation, di po ba? So, sinasabi po namin, of course, sabi nga natin it will make it easier for us, but that is not the point po ng natin. We wish to emphasize that as an institution, the PNP role is to implement the law, and we defer to the wisdom of our legislators in determining what is best for the Filipino people. Ibig sabihin lang po ay, although it will make it, it's so easy for us kasi po, di ba, sa kagaya na nangyari na to, at may lumalabas na mga reports na ito pong dalawang CICL natin is well aware of yung sinasabi nga nila, although misinformed sila, na they will not face any consequences for their actions. Di po ba yun ang naiisip nila? So, pero ang sa amin po, whatever our legislators will decide, yun po ang natin. Kasi kami naman po talaga is to implement the law, whatever the law may be. Pero what doesn't change is the PNP singular intent that para po mas magawang safer ang ating bansa para sa every Filipino, and most especially for our children.
Yes, sir. Of course, it's the mandate of our legislators to decide kung ano nga po yung edad for the criminal liability. Pero sa punto de vista po ng Philippine National Police at sa datos po na hawak nyo, kailangan ba natin sa ngayon na ibaba? Kasi ang concern din po namin bilang ordinaryong mamamayan, tumataas ba yung bilang ng mga menor de edad natin na nai-involve sa krimen?
Alam niyo, marami pong nuances kasi ito, ma'am, yung data natin. Although I will get to you the data, na marami pong pag-interpret sa data, di po ba? So, pwede po kasi na merong iba na hindi na i-report. Meron po dito na nagsisettle na, hindi na umaabot sa office natin. So, all of these things, kaya nga po ang sinasabi ko, this bears yung thorough and careful study na evidence-based at yung data po. And of course, yung consultation with stakeholders po natin to include itong ating mga child safety advocates, legal experts, and of course, ang pinaka-importante po yung ating komunidad.
Opo. Pero sir, do you still support na gawing 12 years old yung criminal liability? Or
Yun nga po, nilagyan natin ng context.
Yeah.
Bahala, hindi po we will respect yung po. Kagaya po ng sinabi ng aming Chief PNP, we are not after yung comfort dito, yung convenience. It will make it easier for us to enforce or implement the law, but we will follow whatever the law may be. Kung ibinaba po yan, yun lang ang sinasabi nga natin, parang mapapabilis, di ba? Pero we are not after that. We are after what's best for the country.